Hello everyone, welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Withings ScanWatch Nova. This isn't your typical smartwatch. It blends classic analog style with cutting-edge health tracking technology. Let's see if this hybrid design lives up to its promises. First impressions matter, and the ScanWatch Nova nails it with its classic diver's watch aesthetics. It's sleek, slim, and remarkably lightweight at just over 50 grams. The design feels premium, featuring polished chrome and an analog face complemented by a clear OLED display at 12 o'clock. What sets the ScanWatch Nova apart is its focus on health tracking. It boasts an array of sensors: continuous heart rate monitoring, 24/7 temperature tracking, ECG, and SpO2 measurements. These sensors are easy to use. Simply cover the watch face for readings. Interacting with the ScanWatch Nova is straightforward. Instead of a touch screen, it uses a rotating crown for navigation, which I found intuitive and responsive. The OLED display is sharp and legible, adjusting brightness automatically based on ambient light. Battery life is exceptional, lasting up to 30 days on a single charge. The new cradle-style charger securely holds the watch, a significant improvement over its predecessor. While it lacks built-in GPS, the ScanWatch Nova can use your phone's GPS for accurate workout tracking. It automatically detects workouts like running, walking, and swimming, providing useful metrics and live data through the HealthMate app. Speaking of the app, Withings HealthMate app is well designed, offering clear insights into your health metrics and sleep patterns. It's easy to export data to other health apps or share reports directly with healthcare providers. In conclusion, the Withings ScanWatch Nova impresses with its blend of style and functionality. It's perfect for users who appreciate the elegance of an analog watch but also want advanced health tracking features. While it may not be the best choice for hardcore athletes, its comprehensive health monitoring capabilities make it a standout in the smartwatch market. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech products. See you next time.